Hello, I will be showing you how I approach data cleaning. Here I am in the MySQL workbench and I have the word layouts data. You can check the data here. Here I will be only showing the outline of the steps I take in data cleaning, but for the full code you can see the GitHub link in the description. So here the very first thing to do is creating a staging table, and we will clean the data in these staging tables only. Because we want to keep the original data and tables unchanged in case something happens. For example, in real life, we may have only access to the, databases, and we may have not access to the CSVs or Excel files. So this is very important. Now come the data cleaning steps. The first thing is checking the duplicates and removing them if there are any. And in some very rare cases, depending on your business needs, you may want to keep the duplicates as well. So the second step is standardizing data and fixing the errors. The third is looking at null values, seeing what they look like, and transforming them if necessary. And for the transformation step, there can be multiple ways to do this. You can either replace them with zero, empty values, or mean values. And as long as you don't secure your data, all may be fine. The last step is removing any columns or rows that are not necessary. And there can be several ways to do this as well. And let me just scroll down quickly just to show you. And there is also the exploration phase. You are just trying to, you know, understand the data as analysts. And you may say you want to see a full end-to-end data analysis workflow, right? You may need something like that. And I have here something like this. Because without a process, we are flying blind, right? And here there are 6 main steps. The first step is understanding the business case. We may want to think like a business owner before thinking about being an analyst. Okay, the second step is building a measurement plan, basically a roadmap for success. The third step is collecting and preparing the data, because your analysis is only as strong as the data supporting it. The fourth step is understanding the data. The fifth is analyzing and visualizing the data. And the last step is developing data-driven insights. So, I follow these 3 questions for you. What happened? Why did it happen? And how should we react, right? So you won't ask the question, so what, right? I will only show you the relevant cases and relevant insights, my findings and my recommendations after the data cleaning steps. And also, okay, so I forgot one step, and this is the measuring, testing, and optimizing step. And I have also another full step, like a sub step for data visualization, because there are many details to consider for data visualization. And I have also a case study example. So you can check this as well. I will put this in the description too. And I use also other tools like Python or like Python. Okay. So we can contact and I can work for you. Thank you.